Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be starting with preposition exercise for ICSE and ISC board. You have to choose the appropriate word for the following. You may take up a notebook and a pen, start writing the answers to these questions, and you can also comment your score in the comment section. I'll be dictating the questions, waiting for 5 seconds, and by that time you should answer the question. So we'll start with question number 101. His professional ability proves that he is cut dash for his job. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Answer is A, out. This is how I'll be answering. The history of Hindu religion dates dash ancient times. The correct answer is B, from. I'll not be wasting time dictating the options. You may read them from the screen. Moving on to question number 103. Nothing can deter him dash pursuing his aim of life. Answer is D, from. No one believes him because he is false dash heart. Option C. The officials have the habit of fawning dash ministers. Answer is B, on. The problem of communal harmony cannot be glossed dash by government. Option A. We walked dash the edge of the desert. Answer is C, until. It is another 3 weeks dash the holidays. Choose only one. It is written, please select 2 correct answers, but you have to choose only one. 2. She has nothing dash her pension. D is the correct answer. Are you wearing anything dash your pullover? Options are A, below, B, under, C, underneath, D, either under or underneath. And if you're not watching the premiere, then you can pause the video and then answer the question. Answer is option D. Do you mind? Question mark. I was dash you! Exclamation mark. Answer is option A, in front of. We should arrive dash their place dash time dash lunch. I'll give you 7 seconds for this. It's a very easy question, I think. Okay, I'll dictate. We should arrive at their place in time for lunch. Answer is option A. They live dash a large flat dash the ground floor. In, on. Uncle is arriving dash the 5 o'clock bus. Answer is D, from. Last year, there were a large number of apples dash the tree. Answer is C, on. His house is dash the way from Mumbai to Pune. Answer is C, on. He met a monk when he was dash the Delhi University. Option B. A few days after the accident, he died dash the injuries. Answer is option D. This cloth is different dash that. Answer is from. You should clarify this dash them. Answer is A2. He has been missing dash Sunday. Answer is A since. I haven't been to the movies dash a long time. Answer is since. He goes dash college by bus. 2. This is a happy house to live dash. Answer is in. They were called dash similar names. Answer is by. We should not waste money dash brands. Answer is on. I gave him a stool to sit dash. Answer is B on. The new term begins dash August 1st. Answer is B on. She poured the milk dash the glass. Answer is into. Last, he said that he was very satisfied dash my work. Answer is with. If you have reached the end of the video and you have also calculated your score, then you can comment it. Else you may practice and take the screenshot of these questions along with the answers. Please like this video, and I'll be making more such similar videos based on English language first semester examination for both ICSE and ISC board. Have a good day. Thank you.